sunrise coffee to the city lights. Good morning, guys. Actually, it's good afternoon na. 12:01. Bang temperature today? The temperature today is 93 degree or 92 degree outside so far. So, I think magiging mainit talaga today. So, yesterday, nag-buffet kami ni Pedro. And today, punta kami sa Seafood City para bumili ng aking box para sa balikbayan box ba tawag niya? Basta box to Philippines. Tapos, papadala ako ng pera, kain kami Jollibee. Then, punta kami Sia Records. Are we going to eat Jollibee or Vito's?
It's up to you. What do you rather do? Either. I don't care. Either is good to me.
So, later, hindi pa namin alam kung ano bang magiging plano. Kasi, si Pedro ay talagang fan ng Jollibee. Ako naman I like Vito's. Kasi it's been a long time na.
Okay.
It's been a while since yung last time na kumain kami sa Vito's. Vito's is a tacos. It's a Mexican tacos. Burrito.
Tacos,
yeah.
They have everything.
Burrito. Basta Mexican siya. Is that only Mexican sa The surround sounds of Pedro is really beautiful.
Here we go. Fun spot.
So,
Okay.
dito na kami guys sa Seafood City. Pasok lang kami para magpadala ako ng kaperahan.
We have to buy meats too.
Yeah, but it's meat stuff. I don't like it here.
Or later, whatever. Because we're gonna spend some time in Sia. And you're gonna be in the dollar store. I know that.
Kasi tuwing
So,
pupunta kami
hopefully,
ng Sia, nandun ako sa dollar store. So ito na guys, nandito na kami. Dito ako sa Logo Balikbayan ba? So tapos na kami guys sa
That's a
ano.
good thing. Nobody knows but
Tapos
you.
na kami. Ay, we're gonna eat.
I thought you said Vito's.
O Vitos na lang, o
What-
sige.
Tell me what you
Magbi-Vitos
want.
na lang
Tell
kami.
me. Vito's or here?
Ikaw, I want you to choose. Because
I don't know. I
I'm
don't
confused.
I mean, I like both. I don't know.
Yan, medyo naguguluhan pa kami guys.
I mean, Vito's is good too. I don't know.
Vitos, we don't go there always.
Okay, go to Vito's.
So, magbi-Vitos na lang kami. Viros. Viros daw, hindi Vitos. Very Filipino talaga ako. So, Viros na lang daw kami. Hindi na daw kami mag-Jollibee. Kasi madalang kami sinasadya kasi namin talaga pag sa Zia Records. So, pupunta kami doon sa Scooters. Kasi bibilan namin ng mango shake or smoothie si Gordo. Then yung Zia Records, ayun lang. Tapos $1.03. So mamaya, pupunta si Pedro sa Zia Records. Ako naman, pupunta ako sa $1.03. I like it. Nachos. Royal.
Huh?
It's like Royal.
You're gonna get cold here. You're gonna get cold. You like it?
It's hot outside.
What's my ticket number?
Is that the ticket?
That's not me, right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Did
Swear
they
you give it
give
to
you?
me. Oh, she kept it. She kept it. Yeah, she knows it's me. She'll call me. Good, you kept it.
Every road, every twist and turn with you, there's so much more to learn. Through every storm, through every mile, your laughter makes it all worthwhile. A story written in the sand, forever starts with you, my man. It's our journey.
Hold on to it. I'll give it to you
Okay.
once I'm done. Go ahead.
So yan
Yeah,
guys.
go next door.
Sino nga ba to guys? Kilala niyo ba siya guys? So balik na tayo. Balik na tayo sa Dollar store. Init guys. Ang laking candles oh. So yeah guys, dito na tayo sa dollar store. Dati ano siya, $1. Ngayon $1.50. Kasi syempre nagmamahal na ang lahat. So meron dito mga parties, pang parties. Maganda bumili dito ng mga pang parties kasi mas mura lang. So lapasan natin parties. Oh, I think I need to have a cart. Oh, I like this guys. I like this. Oh, I love this. Sarap nito sa ulo. This plush toys, ano to eh, $5 lang to eh. Thank you.
Oh yeah, blue love.
I got you, sweetie.
Thank you.
There's no cards. He's outside.
So guys, bumili kami ng regalo kay mama. Bulaklak, flowers, saka cake. Ayan guys. Mother's Day na. Flowers. Love.
Amazing. So good. Oh, that's beautiful. Can I get is there any soda? If not,
Yeah.
okay. But I would like soda with ice love.
We don't have soda, love.
Okay. So,
We need to do the ordering na love.
Yeah, Gatorade. Yeah, I will.
Even the Gatorade.
Oh my god.
Gatorade is we have Gatorade but I forgot to put it inside the fridge. Sorry. So yeah, ready na yung gift natin kay mama. Pwede na namin siyang gisingin kaya lang tulog pa niya talaga siya.
Well, we haven't done a video, if I'm not mistaken, at a Puerto Rican like dedicated.
Ay, empanada. Yung cheese stick natin na more like corn dog. Tapos ito yung alcapurria. So again, from alcapurria is like made from saba, but they call it plantain. It's a different type of banana. Tapos yung empanada nila, it's like our empanada, pero ang feeling niya is beef. Then this is made from corn flour. Tapos yung iba dyan may cheese filling, yung iba wala. Para naman siyang tinapay lang, cornbread, parang ganon. Pero finray, parang donut. So, yan yung pinaka-food namin later. Masarap to, dinidip to sa mayo ketchup. Yun yung kanilang dipping sauce. Pero knowing this family, they don't like dipping sauce. So, that's it. So good, guys. Love. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Kiss mo ka.
Hi.
Punta tayo sa ilalim ng tubig, guys. Pero later na. Let's go. I keep the cement.
Let me see the video. I want to see the video.
Mig. Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah. You get used to it.
Sige.
I feel like I could like
Sige nga, let's see. Oh, Diyos mio. Oh, my goodness. So cold. Malamig, guys. Let's go na. Because Mama is waiting for us. Nagising na siya. Malapit lang naman to. Ha? Ay, I thought.
Huh?
No, not yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. Okay, hindi pa daw, guys. Tara, mag-swimming pa tayo. Isa pa. Isa pa. Malamig. So cold. Hold me lang.
Yep. Give me.
I'm so fat. Oh, I love it here, oh. Woo! Oh, the pool is open.
Recording me, yeah, lady.
Waking up with the morning light, coffee's brewing, it feels just right. Stretch my arms, greet the brand new day. Gonna make it mine in every way. Every moment's a little spark, finding joy in the smallest parts. From the sunrise to the starry night, I'm living life with a heart so bright. Oh, with sunshine in my day, chasing clouds, I'm on my way. Every step I'm feeling free. This is the life,
Pauwi na kami,
just you
guys.
and me. La la la, let's dance along.
Siguro
Singing
mga
out to a happy song.
1 minute, 2
Oh, with
minutes yung lakad
sunshine in
namin.
my day, living life in a joyful way. Walking down the street with the smile, waving high, let's chat for a while. Flowers bloom.